Okay, after hours of experimenting with iPhone footage in Premiere Pro, I've discovered that the only way to really make it look color accurate, and I do mean 100% color accurate because a lot of the tutorials I've watched, they give good fixes that get you pretty close to the original, but it isn't exactly the same. Let's start off with actually viewing first. If you don't want your footage to look really overblown like this, go to Preferences in Lumetri Color, and then hit Extended Dynamic Range Monitoring in Preferences, then go to Project and hit 203. From there, the footage should pretty much look good. And what a lot of other tutorials tell you to do is to change the Rec 2100 HLG to Rec 709, but you don't actually want to do that if you want to maintain color accuracy. What you want to do instead is when you export, make sure you go to QuickTime instead of H.264, and then Apple ProRes 422 HQ, high quality. You don't actually want to use any of the other ones. For some reason, they do not produce the same color accuracy. The only one that does it is high quality. And here are the settings that I use. And that's basically it. After you export this, you will get a file that is quite massive. It's 5.46 gigabytes just for 50 seconds. But you can tell at a glance which one actually is more color accurate immediately. Compare the method with what everyone is telling you to do on the left and the method that actually produces the right colors on the right. And unfortunately, I have tried other LUTs that people have created to fix this issue, and they do not produce the same exact colors. Take note that I am viewing things through my MacBook Pro, so that might change things. And if you're uploading these to TikTok or Shorts, luckily they accept massive file sizes. Not to mention, I did export in 4K, and if you export in 1080 instead, it will be a much smaller file size. Hopefully this helps some of you guys out there who are looking for exact color match from the original footage in your iPhone. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll catch you guys in the next video.